Bengaluru police have seized drugs worth 57 crore rupees in the past year as part of a major operation to combat drug use, abuse and reselling. The police have confiscated 3,746 kgs of ganja, 167 kgs of other narcotics and synthetic drugs. The drugs were being supplied via the dark web to states such as Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Goa and even to countries in Africa. Drug peddlers target young women, men, techies and students in the city. To prevent this, the Bengaluru police have decided to take stringent action against drug use and abuse. On June 26, the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking or World Drug Day, the police destroyed the seized drugs in the industrial area of the Baspe. The drugs were brought in from several Indian cities and sold in Bengaluru.